Welcome to English Speaking Course. Today we bring you an educational story conversation between two girls who go shopping together. Listen carefully, repeat after them, and learn how to speak naturally in English. This story begins. It was a sunny Saturday. The shopping mall was crowded with people. Bright posters read sale everywhere. Two friends, Sophia and Olivia, entered the mall with excitement. Wow, Olivia, the mall looks so busy today. Yes, Sophia, I heard some shops are giving 50% off. Perfect. I really need new clothes for the college event next week. Then, let's start with that fashion store. Inside the store, the girls walked into a big clothing store. Look at that red dress on the mannequin. It's beautiful. Try it on. Let me check the price first. Oh no, $90. Maybe it's on sale. Ask the assistant. Excuse me, is this dress on sale? Shop assistant. Yes, 30% off today. That makes it $63. Still a little high. Sometimes a beautiful dress is worth it. Trying clothes, Sophia went to the fitting room. A few minutes later, she came out. Wow, you look amazing. Do you really think so? I'm not used to bright colors. Trust me, it suits you perfectly. I like it, but let's check other options first. Did you notice? Sophia's polite question. Is this dress on sale? Try practicing that line. Looking at handbags. Look at this black leather handbag. Elegant, right? Yes, and the size is perfect. How much? $75. Too much for me. Here's another one for $40, but the quality looks low. Sometimes cheap things don't last long. You're right, quality matters. Decision making. Olivia, how do you decide what to buy? I ask myself 3 questions. Do I need it? Is the price fair? Will I use it often? That's smart. I usually buy when excited, then regret it later. Ha. Same here, but now I try to be practical. Repeat this helpful line. Do I need it? Check in shoes. Look at these sneakers. Only $35. Try them. Sophia asked for her size, tried them, and walked around. They're so comfortable. I'll take them. Good choice. Sneakers are always useful. Food break. After some shopping, the girls felt hungry and went to the food court. Do you want pizza or noodles? Pizza sounds good. Let's share one. And iced coffee too. Yes, perfect. Practice saying. Pizza sounds good. Let's share one. Back to shopping. After eating, they entered another trendy store. Look at this denim jacket. So stylish. Try it. Olivia tried the jacket and looked in the mirror. Olivia, you look like a model. Thanks. And it's comfortable too. Let's check the price. $55. After discount. Yes, I think I will. Final decisions by evening. Sophia bought the red dress and sneakers. Olivia bought the denim jacket and a black handbag. I'm so happy with today's shopping. Same here. We found good deals. Shopping with you is always fun. You give the best advice. Thank you, Sophia. I enjoy it too. Moral of the story. And so, Sophia and Olivia finished their shopping. Their conversation shows how to ask about prices, make polite requests, and decide between expensive and cheap items. Useful phrases you learned. Is this on sale? That's too expensive. It suits you. Do I need it? Practice these lines with friends and you'll sound more natural. Thank you for watching English Speaking Course. This shopping story teaches real-life English. Listen again, repeat aloud, and practice daily. Remember, learning English is like shopping. You must choose the right words and use them with confidence.